Eurocad. Okay, so price broke this zone here. Delete this. We got this marked down September here. See what we're looking at. So this is our monthly range, 145 to 150, 500 pips, right below this zone here. I could see this definitely making it there. I think you know, Eurocad's super bullish, but I think it is running out of steam. Well, actually, you know, will be interesting to see what it does at this zone, because I mean, this is a lower high relative to this, but this is still, you know, based on this price action, it should shoot higher. So if you look on a higher time frame, up here's a high wick zone, came down, came up, and now made a lower high based on a weekly. So but I do think we are good to go to 150 for this, which would be right below this zone. I definitely would not shoot for higher than this zone up here, you know, the 155 level, 150, you know, 1505 level here, because I just think it might run out of steam. But as far as yesterday's close, I mean, very, very bullish. So found its little, you know, area of support here, found this zone. So I think you're good to go for a buy. If we wanted to find a good entry, I think we missed it, but there's generally always another something in here. So something like that. But so you have to wait for price to come back down to 146 20, maybe 146.15 kind of thing, and in this little zone here, and then look for a long position all the way to 150. I think it's definitely doable, but you're gonna have to wait for price to retrace a bit, because I wouldn't buy it now. I think anytime price moves a bunch, so like this daily was very bullish, anytime you have a segment of price like this, the chances of it pulling back become higher and higher, because as price goes up, more people are inclined to sell it if they've made money. If they haven't made money, then they're more inclined to buy it. And if they're just chasing trends, which people do, and you know, momentum trading is a thing, but I would never buy right now, because you don't really have, you know, just in theory here, like if you're to buy now, let's say the market was open and you're targeting 150, where is your area of liquidity? Like, where is your support? Where would other people want to buy this? They would probably buy it down here. So like this would be your stop. And I mean, you might buy this and it would just go like this for the next week or two. So to me, that's silly. It's not what I would do. I like to let price come to where I want it first. So this area I would consider, and then put my stop just below the previous daily wicks, wherever they end up. And then yeah, that would be my trade for Eurocad. Definitely bullish for a bit still, similar to Euro Aussie, way above this moving average on the daily, on the 4 hour, you know, higher highs, higher lows. So that's what I'm looking for. So that is Eurocad.